Introducing the 2020 Subaru Forester.
Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive.
Top features include a split folding rear seat, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, heated seats, lane departure warning, rear wipers, and cruise control. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air.
Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience.
Subaru ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway.
Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.